We are headed out to Costco to do our February Costco haul. I have all four of the younger kids with me today. We have some other errands to run, and we're taking Bubs to the park. Bubs is our puppy, and we're trying to get him socialized. So we are planning to go to the park after, so everyone has to come, you know. It's going to be a fun time. It's not often anymore that I have to take all four of the little kids with me, but sometimes it's a little bit nostalgic remembering what it was like back when everybody was young. So anyways, just going to bring you guys along on the shopping trip.
All right, Bubba, you just snooze. We'll be right back for you, okay? We'll be right back for you.
So I was chatting with a subscriber that lives really close to us a few weeks ago, and she was telling me that she comes to this other Costco that's a little bit farther away, but it's not as busy, and it has a bigger parking lot and stuff. And so I decided to bite the bullet and drive a little bit farther to a different Costco. We'll see how it goes. You gonna ride in the cart, Levi? See, is this one? This one's dry. Let's take this one. All right. Ooh, bacon crumbles. I think we still have some of those at home.
Some what?
Bacon crumbles.
Oh.
Yeah, food processor on sale. Ooh, the KitchenAid. This is the kind I have, just in a different color. But it's on sale for a good price. This one's on sale too. Ooh, Vitamix. Very similar to the one I have.
This one has 4 sides.
These are very similar to the pantry containers I use. I got a set from Costco, but they're a little bit different now. Mine have like a square button. And then I don't love this size. It's like they show on there for lasagna noodles or something, and it looks like 3 of that size comes in here. That wouldn't be as useful to me as like the bigger, the taller square ones like this that I have.
These are nice containers.
Yeah. Are they plastic? Oh, airflow vent. I don't know what the deal is with that. Oh, produce. Keeps produce fresh.
They have that.
The instant Dutch oven is on sale for pretty good price. So if you've been wanting one of those.
Do we need another air fryer?
I do have that. I love it.
It's another air fryer. No, we don't. We have 4.
We have 4 air fryers? Yeah, I guess we do have 4 air fryers.
Yeah, we do have 4.
No, actually we have 5 if you count the oven air fryer.
Yeah, that's true.
Yep.
We just have too many. We don't need 6. Period.
Yep, that's the way it goes.
Or just too many. Whoa!
Is that a good one? All right, cucumbers, Renee.
Yes. 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 You eat cucumbers.
Levi, please sit down. Thank you.
Like, when we go shopping, like each kid needs a job. Like
Sit.
You grab the fruits, you grab the cold stuff, and you grab this. Go.
All right, let's get some bananas, but we have some. Oh, look at those. That's a lot. We have some at home, so we'll just get one. Oh, carrots. Let's get some carrots.
Can I grab the carrots?
Yeah, grab the carrots.
I love carrots.
That one looks good.
I love carrots.
You do?
They do like carrots.
What's your favorite thing in the cart so far?
I like.
Cucumbers, carrots, bananas, or avocado?
I like this one and this one.
But which one's your favorite?
I like all of them.
Oh, you can't have a favorite?
My favorite.
I see.
My favorite are
Is there what? Oh.
My favorite is cucumber. Me too. You want?
Oh, thank you. You're so helpful.
Okay.
Ugh.
And that.
Kevin's Keto Cauliflower Cheddar Soup. Yeah, it's keto. We tried some, I think it was Kevin's entrees when we were at the beach, and they were really good. Let's see. Water, cauliflower, cheese, cream, butter, chicken fat, tapioca starch, chicken stock, bacon fat. Not too bad, not too bad. 8 carbs. 2 sugars, no fiber. Interesting. That's something, you know, I could make myself, but for convenience, it's nice. Oh man, breadcrumbs. Ooh, salami sample.
I don't want salami.
You don't want one?
Because
Okay.
I don't like it. I don't want it.
These are on sale. These are on sale.
These are so
Okay,
good.
Charity.
Get ready.
Oh, sorry, baby.
No, put it on sample. Come on, put it Mom, can you get some of the salami?
I do need to get some salami, actually. We're bringing a charcuterie board on Sunday. This is another one of the Kevin's. They have a lot of Kevin stuff. Paleo Mongolian beef stir fry.
What is it supposed to be? Keto?
15 carbs, 9 grams of sugar, 3 grams added sugar.
Keto?
Not quite. I mean, could fit into a keto diet, but it's not exactly keto. We're taking a charcuterie board to an event coming up, and so we need to get some salami. Yeah, grab one of those. And then we'll find some sliced cheese and stuff. Go ahead and get 2. I'll get 1, you get 1. All right, go for it, girl. Well, at least they have eggs again. Okay, so they have, this is like Irish cheddar. It is Irish cheddar. Let's see, how much is that? Talia wanted some fancy cheese.
This is Gouda.
Oh, and that's Gouda. That's a black label Gouda. And this is smoked Gouda. Do you like smoked?
Yes.
And then, oh, this is also Gouda. This is just regular Gouda.
Regular Gouda then.
All right, grab one of these.
Do you eat the red stuff?
No, that's wax.
Oh.
All right, and then we'll get you your Irish cheddar, and you're stocked up on cheese.
Yeah.
These are so good. This is a different brand. It's a pretty good deal. Let's grab one of these. Oh, we don't need that. No, we don't need that. This is definitely going to have sugar in it, but it looked so good. Caramelized onion butter. Sugar. Look, they have another type of the Simple Mills crackers. It's not the almond flour
really
ones, but I'll get these for the charcuterie board, along with some of these. We'll see if there's any left over. Well, of course. Yeah, of course. That'll be fun. Charcuterie board? Charcuterie board? We might put some dates on the charcuterie board. Your samples where? All right, I think we did it. Time to go check out. They got a whole conveyor system going.
I have 2.
All right, we'll do a back of the car and cart grocery haul. First off is the non-food stuff, just toilet paper, Kleenex, and paper towels. Then as far as food, we got a bunch of stuff for the charcuterie board, and we kind of went a little overboard on the charcuterie board. So we'll have leftovers for all of us to enjoy at home as well. But we're going to try these garlic herb crackers. Got rice crackers also for the charcuterie board, and a box of the almond flour crackers that we love. Here is all the meats and cheeses I picked up for the charcuterie board. Salami, this antipasto platter with all different stuff in there. Got some Baby Bells, got some of these fresh mozzarella snacking cheese, some little slices, and then I grabbed this too just in case we needed more than that. But this may just be for at-home use. Then Talia is my fancy cheese connoisseur, and she's been wanting some Gouda and some Irish cheddar, so she picked out these two to enjoy. We got some dried mango for trail mixes. Got a thing of avocados, some mushrooms, Brussels sprouts. I've been adding a few more veggies into my life. I decided to try some organic Brussels sprouts, see how I do with them. 1 pack of bananas, some dates. We might use some of these for the charcuterie board as well. I got a pack of romaine hearts, a 3-pack of organic cucumbers that were so expensive, but Renee and Levi especially love these, so I grabbed them. Got some plums. These are Talia's favorite fruit, so got some of those now that they're getting closer to in season. Some avocado oil, some string cheese, some of the good fermented pickles with the good probiotics, 2 packs of the grass-fed New Zealand butter that's really good. These were on sale and we really love them, so I got 3 packs. I'll throw a couple packs into the freezer for later. Got a thing of organic carrots and some avocado oil spray. The total that I spent was $363.83, which was really not bad for a monthly Costco haul. Sometimes they're closer to like $500 or $600, so that was pretty good. I'll do a quick scan of the receipt just in case you're curious about any of the prices here. And thank you so much for going shopping with us today, and we will just see you again in the next video.